So some more benefits of the VDI solution, reducing the CAD IT burden, again, always at the forefront. But we're going to eliminate those hardware headaches, say goodbye to the limitations of local desktop hardware and the dreaded 3-year expensive upgrade cycle. I think that's probably been a 4-year expensive upgrade cycle the last fewer, I don't know, decade or so, because people are trying to get more out of their PCs. But still, every 4 years, you still need to think about upgrading an entire fleet of computers. Well, no more waiting on shipping setup and compatibility issues. It's just login derived. So you just hand someone a login, they install a simple client, or they can do it through their browser through HTML, and they have access to that environment.
Yeah, and we're
Oh,
we're always pushing and sourcing new hardware. We're always working on that. I'd say as soon as we get one stack, we're looking to get the newest, the next newest one. So it's always something that we're looking at because you just need to keep evolving that hardware stack all the time, pretty much.
yeah. And you always have the right spec. Like I mentioned, the engineers always have the exact high performance specs that they need for the job. Again, instantly provisioned. If you say I need more GPU or RAM, then we can get it spec up for simulation, spec down for drafting. You can
Hmm.
have, the same VDI shared by two separate people and they have two separate tasks, and we can accommodate for that.
Can work. Mhm.
You can access a full GPU-enabled workstation from any device. I mentioned this earlier, but like I said, PC, Chromebook, even a Mac. I didn't mention that, but if you do have a
Yeah.
Mac, then our Omnissa Horizon client that gets you access to the GPU-enabled VDI will work on a Mac. They have a DWG version of that.